Navigating the complex world of love can be a thrilling yet confusing journey. Sometimes deciphering a partner's feelings can feel like piecing together a puzzle. However, there are distinct signs that reveal the depth of his affection. Understanding these indicators can bring clarity and confidence to your relationship. One of the most noticeable signs he is in love with you is the quality time he devotes to you. From spontaneous outings to quiet nights in, his efforts to spend time together showcase his desire to strengthen your bond. When he prioritizes your company over other distractions, it reveals his commitment and investment in the relationship. Moreover, pay attention to the way he listens to you. If he genuinely engages in your conversations, remembering the small details about your life and dreams, it's a strong indication of true love. This attentive behavior reflects not only interest but a deep respect for who you are and what matters to you. His willingness to support you through thick and thin is another telling sign. Whether it's cheering you on during a big presentation or being your rock during challenging times, his unwavering support demonstrates his dedication and a steadfast emotional connection. Love is often expressed in acts of service, and his desire to be there for you speaks volumes. Additionally, observe how he introduces you to friends and family. If he openly takes pride in your relationship and includes you in his social circles, it signifies that he envisions a future with you. This level of openness indicates that he is serious about the relationship and wants to integrate your life into his. Another clear sign of his love is the little gestures he makes for you. These could be sweet surprises or even just small acts of kindness, such as sending you a message to brighten your day. These actions reflect his affection and thoughtfulness and show that he genuinely cares about your happiness. His willingness to communicate openly about feelings and future plans draws a clear boundary between casual dating and deep love. This level of communication reflects trust and transparency, essential components of a loving partnership. If he shares his aspirations and dreams with you, it's a sign he sees you as an integral part of his life. In conclusion, a combination of spending quality time, active listening, unwavering support, openness to friends and family, small gestures, and open communication all indicate that he is genuinely in love with you. Recognizing these signs can reinforce your bond and help you navigate your feelings with more confidence.